This is Mayor Duke Bennett standing outside of the wastewater treatment plant here on the south side of the city. This is one of our major accomplishments since I've been in office. When I first came in, the city was battling with the EPA and IDEM, which is the state agency for environmental protection, and not getting a plan completed. And so one of the first tasks that we had in front of us was to get the plan approved by the EPA and IDEM, which we did that. What that means is there are certain projects that we have to do to reduce the amount of dirty water that goes into the river. Every time we have a significant rainfall, our collection system, the pipes fill up, and then it has to overflow into the river. We have to stop doing that. That's what the plan was all about. So we have a court order, a consent decree that tells us that we have to stop as much flow as we can into the river. So one of the first projects we did was to upgrade the wastewater treatment plant. We spent well over $100 million down here to bring it in. It's top notch now. We brought it up to the top level that we need to. We expanded the capacity by 40%. So as we collect water out in the city, it can treat 40% more water flowing through the pipes into the wastewater treatment plant. Now we're beginning to work on the outside of the plant on the collections part. So another benefit we got out of this was getting rid of the smell. As we upgraded the plant and went to some new technologies to dispose of the waste, we were able to totally eliminate the smell. And so couldn't be any prouder of the accomplishments we made here. Yes, it was very expensive to do that. It is for every community. That's why your sewer bills went up, because we are mandated to spend 2% of the household median income of the community. So they tell us what the number is, and then we have to figure out what the plans are to accomplish that, and then they approve that. That's what that consent decree is all about. So sewer bills had to go up because they were so very, very low for so many years. And that's where the money has gone, into the treatment plant, into the collection system. We got other projects going along that help us pump the sludge down here to the plant. And so we've completely revamped our collection and disposal system, if you will. And it cost quite a bit of money to do that. So as we move forward, as we begin to pay off bonds from the past and pay down our debt that we have now, hopefully that revenue that's coming in will cover the majority of future projects, so we won't have to have a lot of big rate increases down the road. Our goal is to minimize that for many, many years to come. So here we are today in front of the plant that's been upgraded, one of the most state-of-the-art plants in the state of Indiana, and just can't wait to be able to do the next part of these projects, so we're in total compliance with the EPA and IDEM.